Hey everyone, I'm Shan and welcome back to another fresh video on machine learning. In this video, I'll show you how to install the latest CUDA library in your machine. And all these necessary links will be available in the description box below. And let me just show you one thing. I'm writing this blog post for you for this video for your better understanding. So by the time you're watching this video, this blog post will be live. So don't worry about that. And the link for this blog post will be in the description box below. So don't forget to check out that. So we have to install these three libraries or files or packages in our system in order to use CUDA library. So here we have to first download the NVIDIA drivers. So suppose if you have a GTX 1650 driver that I have, so you have to select the product type as GeForce, then product series is GTX GeForce 16 series, then GTX 1650, then your operating system. In my case, it is Windows 10 64-bit. Then the download type will be Studio Driver, and then just click on Search. And here, as you can see, the NVIDIA Studio Driver. So just click on Download. Just select Download here, and it will automatically download the NVIDIA driver. Now the next thing that you need is the CUDA toolkit. I'll suggest you the CUDA toolkit. The version is basically 11.2.2. So if you just click here and you have to choose the operating system. So in my case it is Windows and the architecture is this one and the version is 10. So basically this is the Windows 10 operating system that you are using. So I want to install it in my local system. So I am selecting this exe local and the file size is 2.8 GB. So if you click here, it will start downloading the files. So I have already downloaded all the files here. As you can see, this one for this first one, this CUDA 11.2.2 for this one. And the last thing that you need is the cuDNN library. So just click here, download this drive library and it will ask you to log in or join now. So if you have an account on NVIDIA, just click login, and if you don't, just click join now. So I have an account, so I'll be clicking that login button, and after that I'll put my email ID and I'll give my password. So you have to click this tick option that says I agree to the terms and conditions. So click that, and here I'll suggest you again that you install the latest, that says the version is basically CUDA 11.4. So just click here and select the this library for Windows because it is a Windows machine. So if you click here, the file will be downloaded. Okay. So as I said, I have already downloaded all the files here. So let me just install one by one. So first double click here, and if you don't know about the all the paths, so leave it as it is and just click OK, and it will take some time to install all the drivers here. So just click NVIDIA graphics driver and GeForce experience and click on agree and continue. Click on express settings and click on next, and now it is installing the driver. So it will take some time and I am going to fast forward the video. So as you can see, we are done with the installation part, and it says we have to restart the computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video here and I'll restart my computer, and I'll see you after the restart. So as you can see, we are done with the installation part. As you can see, this GeForce Experience application here. The next thing that we are going to do is we have to install the CUDA library. So I'm going to install the CUDA library here. So just double click here. Now again, do not change anything, just click OK. Now please click on agree and continue. Just select express installation process and click on next. Just click on I understand that and just click on next, and it will install the CUDA library in your machine. As you can see, the CUDA has been successfully installed. Now please click on next and just close it. Okay. So we are done with these two. And finally, we have to move these libraries. Okay. So just click here and unzip it. So we are done. So we have to copy all the contents from here to somewhere else. Where? I'll be showing that. Now please open another file explorer window, just like that. And after that, go to this PC, your C driver, program files, and here as you can see, NVIDIA GPU competitive toolkit. So select that, select CUDA version 11.2, and as you can see, here are the folders bin, include, and library. So we have to go here the recently extracted files. So select bin and copy all the contents from here, or you can just cut it and then select the bin folder here that says the program files NVIDIA GPU computing toolkit. Just select that, go here and paste all the content here. Now select continue and it will paste all the content here. Okay, and we have to do this same process for include and library. So go to include, copy all the content here, all the files. Now cut, and in include we have to paste it. Same for lib. So select all the files here, cut it, and here we have to paste it. So now we have successfully installed all the necessary part to use the CUDA library. Now how to use CUDA library? So let me just show you how to install the TensorFlow GPU version. So for that, open command prompt and type pip install TensorFlow. Now for the version of TensorFlow 2, we don't have to specify the GPU. So basically if you have a GPU, it will install the GPU version. Okay. So just hit enter. So as you can see, it is downloading the TensorFlow. So as you can see, the TensorFlow has been installed. So now we'll check if the TensorFlow is working properly or not with GPU. Okay. So I have PyCharm and I'll be using PyCharm for testing out if the TensorFlow is working or not. So you may use any ID. So open PyCharm. So this is a simple code to test out if the GPU is working or not. So let's run that. So as you can see, the GPU is working absolutely fine. So it has listed my GPU, that is basically NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650, and it has opened all the files as you can see successfully, and the number of GPUs available is 1. So I have only one GPU. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel, and let me know your thoughts on the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.